In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lock the YouTube app so nobody else can open it on your phone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you do have YouTube open, go ahead and close out of it. And what you're going to want to do if you are on an Android is open up your App Store and type in AppLock VIP and download it. And once it is installed, open it up. That being said, jumping back over to iPhone real quick, all you have to do is hold down on the YouTube app and you're going to see an option that looks something like this. Go ahead and select Require Face ID. It's going to pop up with a pop-up that looks like this. Hit Require Face ID again, and then from here, in order to actually access YouTube, it's going to pop up with an option that says Face ID required. So it'll ask you to scan your face. After doing so, you'll be able to access the app. Jumping back over to Android though, you'll be asked to create a pin, pattern, or fingerprint depending on what is available. Do whatever you would like, confirm it, and then give the app permissions. And from here, it's going to show you all of the apps that you can add this onto. Just find YouTube on here and toggle the lock icon. Once you do that, whenever you try and open up YouTube, you're going to have to type in that password. Without that, nobody can actually access the app. But that's how you could quickly lock the YouTube app here on an iPhone and Android device. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.